Alanke.com.
Well, and the suicide attack and the complex attack airborne. So all of those are with the force headquarters, staff sectors, commanders, and we have a very good support of the federal government of Somalia.
Our visit here in Somalia, especially to give a message of hope and peace into the people of Somalia. To our forces here, AMISOM, we take this opportunity to thank them because they have played a big role to support the people of Somalia to have peace and security. They have done a big job, but there is also another effort to do, especially to help the people to stabilize the country, and there is no doubt that the AMISOM will achieve this important role to bring peace and security in Somalia.
Alanke.com.